Want to give your furniture a new look? Or maybe just make some pieces a little more you? Get inspired to reuse, refresh and revamp these IKEA favorites you maybe already have at home. Take a look at these 9 IKEA furniture upgrade ideas. 1. Paint Pollock style on the Vizio glass top table for a personal creation. First, protect your work area. Then detach the glass. Use the bottom of the glass as your canvas to splatter, drop, swirl, whatever. 2. Revive with velvet padding on a mom bed frame for a boutique hotel feel. The basic idea is to put foam rectangles on the headboard as panels and cover everything with a curtain. See how we did it by measuring, cutting, sewing, taping and stapling in this velvety headboard how-to. 3. Reshape and renew paper Holmo flower lamps for a fun twist. Remove the shades. Shape them like a donut. Where the ends meet, put on and tie in black tape or paper strips. Add an LED bulb on a light cord. Lay it down and let it glow. 4. Create textured patterns on a Lahell's rug for a funky look. Sew in threads or yarn. Tie in scraps of old clothes or other fabric. Even some fluffy pom-poms will do. You set the limit and the style. Just use whatever you've got at home. Hang it up as wall art if you'd rather not walk on it. 5. Frame your Flista shelf unit in stained wood. Condition the unfinished wood to help the stain really soak in. Add legs or casters to raise the height of the unit if it's a little short for your space. 6. Swap in new hardware. When it comes to the hardware on drawers, cabinets, and other storage millwork, we'd have to agree, there are few things that give a piece of furniture a fresh new look more quickly or easily than swapping out the knobs on an old cabinet. 7. Apply a fresh coat of paint. It's hard to overestimate the power of a small can of paint or spray paint, because a new color, whether it's solid, patterned, or even just on a portion of the item, can bring personality and life to a piece that had grown old, scratched, or simply too basic. 8. An IKEA coffee table with new legs. Some of IKEA's most common items include their simple line of side tables and coffee tables, which have simple, square legs that are screwed into the underside of the tabletop. Fortunately, the screws are nearly universal size, so you can replace those blocky legs with just about any new ones you find mid-century modern, contemporary, Victorian, or whatever your heart desires. 9. Reach for the contact paper. Contact paper, which is available in a huge range of colors, patterns, and finishes. The options are nearly endless. You can make a shelf look like marble, a tabletop like wood, or a bar like red lacquer. The only trick is in the slow and steady application process, and making sure that you smooth out air bubbles as you apply. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment in this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.